Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to add clock on your desktop, or I would say how to add clock widget on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 desktop. As you can see, I have added a very beautiful clock on my desktop. If you want to know how to add it, watch this video till end and don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, first of all you have to open your browser, then open this website renmeter.net. This website link you can also get in this video description. Go to this video description, click on the link and this website will open. If you are watching on Facebook, open your browser and in this address bar type www.renmeter.net. You will come to this website. Once you open this website, just scroll down and click here on download button. It will download Renmeter software. Once it is downloaded, click on it and install in your computer. You just have to click on OK, then click on next, then click on install, and within few seconds it will be installed in your computer. You just have to click on finish, and if you see this kind of interface on your desktop, just right click on it, then click on unload screen. It will disappear from your desktop. Once it is done, then again open your browser and this time you have to open this website visualskins.com. This website link also you can get in this video description, right? So once you open this website, just scroll down and click here on Renmeter clocks. You will see many clock widget here. If you want to see more clock widget, then here you have to click on more clock widgets and you will find more than 100 and 200 clock widgets. So here what you have to do, you have to choose any clock widget of your choice. Like let me choose one clock widget. So I will click on next, and from this page I will choose one clock widget, this one. So just click on it and then scroll down, and here you have download button, then click on it. Once it is downloaded, then click on it and install in your computer. You can install more than one clock widget. Like I will come back, then again I will click on next and I will choose one more clock widget this one. Just click on it and then click on download. Once it is downloaded, just install it. Once it is done, then go to taskbar and click on this arrow, and here you will find Renmeter. Just click on it and this kind of interface will open. On this page you can see all your downloaded and installed clock widget. Like recently I installed two clock widget, elegant and simplistic clock widget, and this one I had installed earlier. So now what you have to do, you have to just expand it, and here you will find two options, dark and light. If your desktop wallpaper is dark, then go with light. But if your desktop wallpaper is light, then go with dark. Just click on it and click here on load, and this beautiful clock will appear on your desktop. You can move this clock to anywhere on your desktop. If you want to remove it, just click on unload. If you want to set another clock, then just expand that clock, click on dark or light and click on load, and that clock will appear on your desktop. So this is how you can add clock widget on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 desktop. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a wonderful day.